With the break of dawn, the spirit of Eid-ul-Fitr echoed across Anantnag as thousands of worshippers gathered at the historic Eidgah to offer special Eid prayers. The atmosphere was filled with devotion and unity as people from all walks of life came together to celebrate the auspicious occasion. Dressed in their finest traditional attire, worshippers exchanged warm greetings of Eid Mubarak, embracing the essence of love, brotherhood, and gratitude. The air resonated with the soul-stirring recitation of Takbir, as prayers were offered for peace, prosperity, and harmony across the region. Religious scholars in their sermons emphasized the values of compassion, kindness, and helping those in need, urging the faithful to carry forward the spirit of Ramadan into their daily lives. Kashmir Examiner Live Wire reporter Irfan Khan's this special report.
Alaikum wa rahmatullah. Allahu Akbar. Alaikum wa rahmatullah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Allah. Total salute to you, brother.